Manizales, a vibrant Colombian city-nation in the central mountain range, is characterized by the lush natural environment, where intense green of mountains and coffee plantations blend with optim gray and deep blue black skies, and by an architecture that combines classic and modern. Adapted is stripped and railways like the Chinchina. An emblematic element of this metropolis is the old cable car system, now a historical symbol of the city's engineering and progress. This place, more than conveying joy, evokes a deep nostalgia for the past and the mastery inherent in this imperturbable presence, inviting admiration for history and reflection on Manizales' adaptability to this mountain's geography, making it the unique landmark that encapsulates the region's identity.